I wasn't thinking about this, but now that I'm here, I'm like, should I buy a camera?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello everyone, welcome to day number 5, I think, of vlogmas. Been trying to keep consistent. I haven't been posting every day, but I'm trying to post every other day, just for the weeks that I have finals and stuff. Today it's kind of a busy day. I think I'm going shopping, Christmas shopping today. I'm not sure though. We'll see about that like later. But right now I just got ready because I got work at 10 and it's right now like 9:30 something, I'm pretty sure. So I'm all ready. I just need to eat something before I go because it's gonna be a crazy day today. I hope it's not that busy today, but usually on the first Sundays of the month it can be a little bit busy. This is my work fit. It's just a long sleeve and skinny jeans.
Why you drinking?
I just got out of work. My mask me estaba calando. In the back of my ears, it hurts so much. Now I'm gonna go take a shower because I guess we're gonna go Christmas shopping. I do need to spend a lot of money today and I'm not happy about it. So I'll see you guys when we're at the mall maybe. Or
In my head, that's how I behave. Passing up the same way.
we are at Best Buy right now. Do I give myself my Christmas present? Estas son las dos posibles cámaras que me gustan. Okay, everybody, I'm waiting to see if my dad is gonna give me 150 bucks so that I can fully buy a camera because I wasn't thinking about this, but now that I'm here, I'm like, should I buy a camera?
Sin respuesta.
Oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. I'm getting the camera. I can't believe it.
Be okay.
You guys, we secured the bag. Here it is, my camera. Okay, so we just had what? We just got here at the actual mall and we're going Christmas shopping right now, but my bank account is crying right now because I still need to buy gifts and I decided to buy a gift for myself. It's gonna make my videos way better now. Like vlogmas is gonna be lit now. I am a bad vlogger.
Telling you that I never lie.
Where's my mom?
You want me back? Hey, I'm sorry, I don't feel the same way back.
So now we're going to Macy's because I think I'm gonna find my dad's perfume there, and I don't know what my mom's gonna get because I think we're in like this gift exchange for like family only. So we're gonna go see.
I behave, I behave. I don't even know.
Hey guys, so I am eating Chipotle right now, and honestly, this shit is bomb. Like I literally love eating Chipotle. I don't do it every day though, cause you know, I gotta keep myself healthy. But today I didn't want to cook. I was so hangry. When I say hangry, like hangry, like I was just so irritated. I just wanted to like, I hadn't eaten since breakfast. I did it, guys. I finally got myself an actual camera for YouTube. I wasn't even planning on buying the camera, but we went to Best Buy and then I went to look to the cameras and that shit looked so appealing to me. When I went there, I saw the Canon G7X and it was 500 bucks, which is not bad because it's usually like 600 or something like that. So I was like, why is it so tempting to get it right now? Like this one's like way better. You can zoom in and out. You can actually add a microphone. So I'm gonna eat and I think I'm gonna set up the camera with you guys.
Don't even know.
Okay guys, so I have the camera right here and I also got a memory card just because I knew that it wasn't gonna have one and I need one so that I can actually film because I want to start filming like now. I feel like whenever I plan stuff, like it never happens, and now that I didn't plan to get this, now it happened. It comes with a bunch of instructions that nobody wants. It comes with the strap for the camera, the actual camera, and I think this is so I can charge the battery. The battery. I think that's it. It feels heavy still. There it is. I'll be like every single other YouTuber. I'm gonna have good ass quality on my videos. I might have to buy a mic so that we have better audio quality. I don't even know how to set this up, if I'm being completely honest.
If you'll be okay. If you'll be okay.
Bro, already? This sucks. My battery died, guys. So the family got a gift for everyone. We got a TV finally. I'm still trying to get used to the fact that I have to look right here and not right here, because I love looking at myself. A little conceited moment. What I wanted to say is that right now I'm gonna be doing my homework because tomorrow I have some stuff planned and I need to finish my homework because it's due tomorrow. So I don't want to have to like worry about it, and I'm gonna go out tomorrow, so I don't want to worry about it, you know. I hope that you guys kind of see a difference on my video, since now I'm using a natural camera, which I never thought I would, honestly. I'm gonna do my homework. Should I do a little time lapse? Nah, you guys don't care. It's 11:40 and I decided I'm going to sleep right now. I don't know if you can see, but like I'm literally so tired. As you can see, I have really bad eye bags and I'm so sleepy. I was like planning on doing like a little of my homework right now because I don't want to do it tomorrow. But I decided I'm gonna wake up early. I'm gonna set up my alarm right now because I literally cannot anymore. And then hopefully I don't work so I can go out with my friend. I'll see you guys tomorrow for vlogmas day number 6, I'm pretty sure. Good night.